Namaste, and welcome to this Vinyasa yoga and Qi Gong practice. So place the thumbs to the center of your forehead in Namaste and slightly tilt up your chin, closing the eyes, connecting to the center within yourself, and connecting to your body, your vessel, and to whatever is present around you right now, and then opening up your arms towards the sky, feeling the oneness with everything. Taking a deep inhale and exhale, place your palms back together, thumb to the forehead and thumbs to the heart. And let's rub the palms of our hands together to make an energy chi ball. So separating the hands, feeling the energy between your palms, and slightly pulsing the ball in between your hands, trying to really feel the energy tingling on the skin of your palms, rotating the ball up and down as you please, just trying to physically feel the ball in between your hands. And as we do this, we are refining our purest energy that comes from within, refining it so we can use it for our benefit. And then we'll have the palms facing up, and with an inhale we bring the palms up, still feeling that energy. Exhale, turn the palms around, bring them down. Inhale through the nose, palms up, bring the arms up. Exhale through the mouth, push the energy down. Still refining this energy. Inhale, palms up, tilting the chin up, looking up. Exhale, palms down, chin goes towards your chest. Inhale, arms up, looking upwards. Exhale, palms down, looking down. Inhale up. And placing the palms together to the center of the forehead and then to the heart, stepping towards the front of your mat for our half sun salutation. Inhale, palms go up. Exhale, thumbs to forehead, thumbs to heart. Inhale, spread the arms out wide and have them meet at the top of your head. Exhale, folding down. And inhale, lifting up halfway. Exhale, relax. Inhale, spread the arms out wide, come all the way up, palms meet. Exhale, hands to forehead, hands to heart. Inhale, palms go up. Exhale, folding down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, relax. And let's step the right foot back to Anjaneyasana or low lunge. Palms go together and upwards, making a back bend with the exhale. And then opening the right hand towards the back, grabbing your heel if you can, making a back bend here, looking up, inhaling. Exhaling, hands go forward. And come into your warrior two. Arms come onto one line. And let's reverse the warrior. Right hand goes back, left arm goes up. Option is to grab your left wrist with your right hand to create some extra stretch. And then circle the hands back to the front of the mat and step into your plank for your vinyasa. With the exhale, knees go down, elbows close to the body, rolling into cobra or upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. And let's take a flow in downward dog. We're going to generously start bending our knees. And then we're going to bring our shoulders above the wrists, looking forward, and with an exhale, pushing back to downward dog. Inhale, bend the knees, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, downward dog. And last time, making that flow with our body. Returning to downward facing dog. Bringing your right leg up this time, bending the knee, stepping the foot forward. Anjaneyasana, back knee goes down. Palms go together and up for back bend. And then the left hand goes back towards the heel and making a back bend here. Circling the hands to the front of the mat, pivoting the back foot into warrior 2. Bringing the arms on one line, reverse the warrior. Again, the option to grab the wrists for an extra stretch if you want to. And then arms back on one line, and we're going to move into star pose. Arms extended, legs extended. From here on, coming into our goddess. So crossing the arms down, coming into cactus arms, bending the knees, palms facing up. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do this again, crossing the arms. Palms go up, cactus arms in goddess. Inhale. And exhale. And then from the goddess, let's move back into star. Coming into Trikonasana, right foot facing forward, left foot to the side. Left arm goes down, right arm goes up. And then circle your arm, coming into side angle pose. And then transitioning to our side lunge. Left hand goes down, right arm reaches towards the sky. Inhale. And exhale, drop the arm down, side angle on the other side. So other arm goes up. And let's move into triangle pose, Trikonasana on this side. And our side angle, circling the arm. And stepping back into plank for our Vinyasa. With or without the knees, cobra or upward facing dog, returning to downward facing dog. Coming back into our downward dog flow, generously bending the knees, shoulders above wrists, exhaling down dog. And again, bending the knees, shoulders above wrists, downward dog. And one last time, doing our flow. And stepping to the front of the mat, inhaling, spreading the arms out wide, exhaling, thumbs to forehead, thumbs to chest. Inhale, palms come up, exhale, folding down. Inhale, half lift, exhale, relax. Stepping right foot back into warrior 1, arms go towards the ceiling or the sky. And then we open up the arms, opening the chest, making a back bend here. Placing the palms of the hands together to the center of the chest, extending both legs, folding halfway, and coming into warrior 3. Maybe flying out the arms beside you, taking an in-breath, and with the out-breath, stepping into 3-legged dog. Left leg goes up. Vinyasa with or without your leg in the air, your choice. And then we all return to downward facing dog. And then jump or step to the front of the mat. Relax there, fold down. Inhale, coming all the way up. Exhale, thumbs to forehead, thumbs to heart. Stepping the left foot back into warrior 1, extending the arms upwards, and then opening up the chest and the arms towards the sky. Palms again coming together towards the center of your chest, extending both legs, coming halfway, and then moving into warrior 3 at your own pace. Both legs are nicely extended. Perhaps you want to fly out your arms. And now we step that foot back and come to three-legged dog. And again, Vinyasa with or without your leg up in the air, your choice. Returning to downward facing dog. Taking an in breath and an out breath, bending the knees and coming to sit down on our mat. And you can come in Sukhasana or easy pose or any pose you can sit easily in, bringing one hand to your chest, to your heart, one hand to the belly, focusing on the breath, coming back into your body, feeling the energy in your body that you build up throughout the practice today. Connecting to how your body feels, your physical body, your emotional body, spiritual body. And then rubbing your hands back together to make our Qi ball, to connect to that energy of our different bodies and bringing it in between our hands, rotating it as you wish, and then bringing the palms up and letting the energy wash over us, over our face, our body, and really stroking it off. Inhale, bringing them up. Exhale, showering ourselves in this beautiful, purified energy that comes from us and from the universe. One more time, purifying our vessel, bringing the palms together. Namaste. I wish you the most beautiful day, evening, or night, and see you next time.